Hey guys, this is C. I'm filling in for Jimping with Jacrispy here to do the Jack Wolf's Knives Bionic Jack. First we'll talk about the packaging. Very nice packaging. Ingenuity. Comes in a little can here, as you can see. Got the name of the knife on the side, the Bionic Jack. Go ahead and unscrew it. Couple little things down in there. Lay those out for you. Comes with a cleaning cloth. Very interesting. We'll just lay that there so that you can get a look at it. Alright, so first of all we'll talk about the knife itself. The handle is 4.41 inch long, has a 3.28 inch CPM S90V blade, and the overall length is 7.69 inch. This is the Frost Camo. It's carbon fiber handle. It's got a nice back spacer, anodized. Doesn't have thumb studs, but it has a nail nick to open the knife with. Comes with a titanium pocket clip. Good styling. Bolsters are well polished. Has jimping on top of the spine of the blade. Seems like it'd be a very useful knife. Has a frame lock. Good design. Very smooth opening. So this is the Jack Wolf Bionic Jack. I think this comes in several different variants. I think there's 4 variants. It does not have a lanyard hole, which is okay because I'm not a big fan of lanyard holes. And of course it can be opened as a front flipper. You know me and front flippers, so even though I'm filling in for Jacrispy here, it's got a nice ting to it. Can't beat that. Good styling. Alright, so this was the Bionic Jack. I'll bring it in a little closer so you can get a close-up of it. Alright, so that'll do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Check in more often and we'll have more videos. We do these quick little reviews so you can get an idea of what the knife looks like, how it opens, and what it should come with. That way you can guarantee its authenticity from the moment you buy it. Alright, so I will see, and that's it. We're out.